Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are continuing the adverb chapter, but today we'll complete this exercise. Exercise number 1, page number 19. Okay. Today we'll finish exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. And I am telling over here, but please kindly you will write on the copy and you'll show me. Okay. So identify the types of adverbs underlined in the following sentences. So we have to identify the types of adverbs. So number 1, she writes beautifully. She writes beautifully. What kind of adverb will be this? This will be adverb of manner. So she writes beautifully. Everyone write please. She writes beautifully. So this is adverb of manner. Why are you sitting here? This is adverb of place. Why are you sitting here? Now, luckily I passed the test. Number 3, luckily I passed the test. This is adverb of manner. This is adverb of manner. Okay. I don't know why he failed. I don't know why he failed. This is this is interrogative adverb. This is interrogative adverb. When will you come back? So asking question, when? So this is also interrogative adverb. She always speaks the truth. She always speaks the truth. This is adverb of number. Adverb of number. So this is adverb of number and frequency. Okay. He often hurts poor animal. He often is referring adverb of number or frequency. Adverb of number or frequency. You walk too slowly for me. This is adverb of degree. 2. You walk too slowly for me means adverb of degree. He drives car very skillfully. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. He never makes lame excuses. Adverb of number and frequency. Never. Adverb of number and frequency. Why are you so late today? Adverb of manner. So. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Adverb of number and frequency. Where are you going for a picnic? Interrogative adverb. Where are you going for a picnic? Interrogative adverb. Mom gets up early in the morning. Adverb of time. Mom gets up early in the morning. Adverb of time. This is the place where the king lived. This is the place where the king lived. This is two sentence. This is a conjunction type verb. So this where is a relative adverb. This is relative adverb. Now exercise number 2. The king died 3 years ago. She walks more slowly. I can learn poems more easily than speeches. He seldom or never comes late. I want some rest as I am a little tired. The principal spoke very politely. Tell me everything honestly. They often come home late. They were talking loudly. Do not walk so fast. Do not walk so fast. She answered very rudely. Ram is feeling much better now. This water is very dirty. The soldiers fought bravely with the enemy. They waited for us much impatiently. Now I will revise one more time. Okay, this one, number 2. The king died 3 years ago. She walks more slowly than her sister. I can learn poems more easily than speeches. He seldom or never comes late. I want some rest as I am little tired. The principal spoke very politely. Tell me everything honestly. They often come home late. They were talking loudly. Do not walk so fast. She answered me rudely. Ram is feeling much better now. This water is very dirty. The soldiers fought bravely with the enemy. They waited for us much impatiently. So I hope you have completed and you have finished the exercises. I hope you'll complete it and you'll show me on the next class. So your homework is these 2 exercises you will do in your copy and you will show me. And I'll see how many of them you'll complete this one. And number 2 is this one, formation of adverb. This formation of adverb we have to memorize it. Read. Memorize it. 1, 2 and 3. This thing you have to memorize it. So you just memorize it. I will ask or I'll give these questions on your FA1 examinations. So I hope you understand the class very much and thank you very much.